Plant-based sustainability and the environment. How your choices make a difference. Hello, fellow green enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, Green Goodness, Plant-Based Living. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's not only close to our hearts but also crucial for the planet, plant-based sustainability and the environment. Let's explore how our choices can have a positive impact on the world around us. Environmental issues of concern include deforestation, animal agriculture, and emissions. Before we jump into the solutions, let's briefly look at some of the environmental challenges we're facing: deforestation, water scarcity, greenhouse gas emissions, and loss of biodiversity. One of the major contributors to these issues is animal agriculture. This is where plant-based meals and sustainable farming become essential practices. The good news is that by embracing a plant-based diet, we can play a significant role in addressing these challenges. Let's break down a few key ways in which plant-based living promotes sustainability. Segment 1. Reducing carbon footprint. First up, let's talk about carbon emissions. Animal agriculture is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions. From raising livestock to transportation, it releases a substantial amount of carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide into the atmosphere. By adopting a plant-based diet, we reduce our carbon footprint. Plant-based foods generally require fewer resources to produce, generate fewer emissions, and contribute to a healthier planet. Segment 2. Preserving natural resources. Next, let's discuss water conservation and land use. Animal agriculture consumes massive amounts of water, from growing animal feed to providing drinking water for livestock. Deforested land has become the modern trend and priority. Additionally, large expanses of forests are cleared for grazing and feed production, leading to deforestation and habitat loss. Plant-based diets use fewer resources and help preserve natural ecosystems. Segment 3. Biodiversity and wildlife protection. Biodiversity is essential for a thriving planet. Unfortunately, the expansion of animal agriculture threatens countless species with extinction. By choosing plant-based options, we reduce the demand for animal products, indirectly protecting biodiversity and allowing ecosystems to recover. Segment 4. Waste reduction and sustainable choices. Sustainability isn't just about what we eat, it's also about how we live. Opting for plant-based meals is fantastic, but let's also think about reducing waste and making sustainable choices in our daily lives. Use eco-friendly products. From using reusable bags and containers to embracing composting, these actions complement our plant-based diet and contribute to a greener lifestyle. So, there you have it, friends, the powerful connection between plant-based living and environmental sustainability. Every meal we choose, every eco-friendly choice we make, contributes to a better world for us and generations to come. Remember, your choices matter. By adopting a plant-based lifestyle and embracing sustainable practices, we can be catalysts for positive change. Connect with us for plant-based life coaching, meal planning, and plant-based products. If you found this video informative and empowering, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with fellow plant-based enthusiasts, and subscribe for more Green Goodness content. Thank you for joining me on this journey towards a more sustainable future. Until next time, stay green, stay compassionate, and stay curious.